the 2011 Chevrolet Colorado. This two-door, three-passenger truck still has less than 35,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a front bench seat, a bed liner, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 2 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.